Hi, it's Heather again, and today this is Cameron Revisited. This is Cameron by Renee of Paris, and yes, I've already reviewed this wig in the color Raspberry Ice R, and it's the same color even, but I'm just making this little video as kind of like an update. As I may have mentioned in that video review, I actually decided to keep this one because I liked it so much, and it's now my go-to professional wig. So whenever I have like something I need to have my picture taken for or something like that. I mean, my bio hair right now is dyed purple, so I don't really want, you know, to look like that in company photos and stuff like that. I don't want to get any weird looks from people thinking I'm trying to be too much of a rebel. So this is my go-to hair. I think it's cute, it's flattering. I love the color. The highlights are super, super cute. And it's just a very, very flattering cut with all these layers, and even when the wind blows it looks really pretty. And I've worn it to school for the last 2 weeks because I've gone back to college for a master's degree in artificial intelligence. So I'm basically a research scientist, I have a graduate assistantship, I run a business, and I work in student affairs. So I do a ton of stuff. I interact with a lot of people on a really regular basis, and a lot of them are very young, and you know how critical young people can be about how you look. I get complimented on this wig like crazy. I get a lot of compliments on this hair, and most of the time people don't even realize it's a wig. In fact, no one has said anything to the contrary. In fact, when I told somebody that it was a wig, I mean, mouth agape, eyes bulging out of the head, they were just completely shocked. And this is something I wanted to relate to you. This wig is $99, I think, on my site right now. And I'm thinking about reducing it a little bit more just to make it something that's a little bit more affordable for people because it's such a nice wig. I want it to be available. And here are some of the comments that I got when I posted a picture of myself wearing this wig on Facebook. And I would totally show this to you, but I don't know how to edit the video, and because I've got a lot of stuff to do, including homework tonight, it's pretty much very low on my list of priorities to like verify this. But if you need verification, I guess you can let me know, but hopefully no one's gonna be a stickler. So I posted it and said, me and my business horrors, you know, just being funny, at a student affairs meeting last week. And I got something like, and I'm just wearing like a sleeveless shirt, so I mean, it's not the shirt that they're complimenting. I got, let's see, 41, 42, 43, 44 likes on the picture. And I just posted this like a day and a half ago. Someone said, "You look fabulous, seriously, so cute and professional." Someone said, "Holy fuckballs, you look amazing, you look great, you look adorable, a little bit like a modern Mary Tyler Moore. You look great with that hairstyle and color." Hey. "Cute, you look thinner and junk." Well, yeah, I've lost weight, but I think that the fact that this hair frames the face so well, it does have a slimming effect, because if I take it off or even just pull it back, you can see it really does take some of that roundness away. "What a great pic. You look great." And the last comment is, "Love the hair." So that's all separate comments from separate people. And only one of them, disclaimer, is related to me. My brother is the one that said that I look thinner. But everybody else was like, "Oh, you look great. That color, that hair color is great. The style is wonderful." And when I meet people in person, you know, people ask me where I've gotten my hair cut from, because it's professional, but it's youthful without being precious. You know, it doesn't look like you're trying too hard to look young. It just kind of looks fresh because of all these cute little fringy layers and stuff. I mean, to be perfectly frank, this is my favorite one that I've tried on so far. Hands down. I really liked Angie a lot, and I kept it Angie. And when I feel a little edgy, I wear Angie. And I really liked Reese. I thought Reese from Noriko was a great wig. By the way, I met Angie from Envy. I really liked Reese from Noriko. But this is like Reese, especially in the front and the front top here, but the back is longer. And I like that. It gives me more coverage because I don't really have much of a neck. So the way that this is shaped, it kind of gives me one. Here, I'll move in front of the white background a little bit so you can kind of see what I mean. You know, it just kind of evens out that line because I've got this, you know, almost like a slouchy hump back here. So, I mean, it's so flattering. So, yes, this is Cameron Revisited, retreading old ground. But if you're wondering about what kind of wig to get, even though this is a Renee of Paris wig, Renee of Paris and Rico are almost the same brand. So if you're on the fence about what kind of wig to get, especially in the hot weather, I mean, I know that's going to be winding down soon, but no matter what the weather's like outside, you don't want to feel like you're wearing a hot basket on your head. I've been wearing this in August in Georgia for like 3 weeks and it's completely comfortable. So I really like it. It doesn't have a mono top or anything fancy, but even without, people can't tell, especially because this is a really pretty rooted color. So people pay way more attention to the highlights and the cut than they do your scalp. So if you're at all interested, let me know. If you have any questions, again, just put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye-bye.